Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Will and I'm back with another video. This is gonna be kind of a mashup of a couple different things in this video. I'm gonna talk about a couple of different nugs. Yeah, am I gonna take any wax? I think there's one wax I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna show you guys 2 nugs and a couple of edibles, and then the third is a surprise. But the surprise is gonna be the first part of the video, so it's not even really a surprise. But I'm around like 65 subscribers, which is, I mean, you gotta start somewhere. But for 100 subscribers, I would like to do something nice for you guys for paying attention to my videos. When I started this channel, it was at like 12, and it's only been a month. I mean, I know I'm not like blowing up like other people have and do, but consistency is key, and I want to make you guys happy, and I want to put out good content. I am working on getting that camera, don't worry. I won't be an iPhone guy for life. I won't be spinning around like this. I'll be spinning around with a nice, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 setup in my hands. I have a really good like real camera, just not a video camera. But that's a tangent. But so for 100 subscribers, I am going to have people leave numbers in the comments, and I will do a random number generator, and whichever number gets picked, you will win a little kind of like a gift box, like mystery box type ordeal. I'm gonna get some smoking stuff for you. It could be some papers and a grinder, and maybe some cones, just whatever I find. Maybe a bowl or a chillum, just a little grab bag of stuff to smoke with, So I think that's a suitable 100 subscriber giveaway. It's not a giant mark, but it is a mark on my journey to growing. So yeah, for the rest of the video, we will be talking about our favorite thing, pot. Excuse the darkness for a second. I was just upstairs making my dinner, so now we're walking downstairs. Alright, so now we're back in the spot that you all know me, where I sit. I should put some stuff back here that's like weed related. That right there is a raw rolling papers open close sign. It's a super sick sign, but there's a vintage diesel bong right there, and then we got the clover behind it, so I gotta take those off of there and then put that sign up somewhere, but that's for another day. So for the 2 nugs, I have I got these on a special. I got a crazy special for this nug. I have a gram of gelato by Gold Leaf, which is one of my favorite companies. You all know I love Gold Leaf. And then I got a sativa, surprisingly. I got a sativa gram. What was this stuff? Of Wild Thai, which comes out to 30 or 28%, and then this one is this one's 31%. Oh, my hair's going everywhere. I really should put a hat on, but yeah, so the gelato is 31% THC, and then the wild Thai is 28%. So I haven't seen either of them. I can see the wild Thai a little bit through the packaging, but I have not cracked it open yet. They're both sealed. No seal, no deal, you feel. Old lean jokes, my bad. Opiate recovery. Fuck everyone. And then besides the Nugs, I keep doing dramatic pauses, it's really funny. So besides the Nug, I've got a couple edibles to show you before I eat them real quick. I'm down to the last of what I have for the edibles, so I'm gonna show them to you guys and eat them as I show them. So I guess we will start. Are they over there? What did I do with them? Here's this. Okay, here's one edible. Here's two. Is there one or two in there? Oh yeah, I think we only have two. I think we only have two edibles to show you. Okay, so, sorry about that. The first edible I'm going to be showing you guys is my favorite gummies. I mean, from Illinois. I've had other gummies. But from Illinois, this takes the cake. These are Gold Leaf. This is like their top shelf stuff. These are expensive as all hell. But they are delicious. These are 100 milligram, 2-to-1 CBD, THC gummies, sour watermelon gummies. So they have 40 milligrams of CBD and 20 milligrams of THC. I take 2 of those in the morning and I feel good. I feel at ease pretty much most of the day. And then I do my nightly doses of, smoke some flower, smoke or take some dabs, do what I do. I'll smoke this Nug later on. I don't know if it's gonna end up in a video. To be brutally honest, I have no idea. But if it does, then I will mention it. Also, I haven't asked for any likes on any videos so far, I don't think. And just because I haven't, and also I just haven't been getting any likes on my videos. I've been getting a little bit more consistency in my views. My sub count is a little bit more consistently going up. But if you guys could drop some more likes and drop some more comments, that would mean the world to me. Even if you don't agree with me on something, please just comment it, and we can work it out, or you can hate me, or it's all good. It's all good feedback. Any publicity is good publicity. So those gummies, the watermelon ones, they look like they come in a pop lid container, and there's 5 of them in here, but this is only one, obviously, and that's what they look like. That's the strawberry watermelon, or no, these are strawberry peach, I meant. Yeah, these are strawberry peach, my bad. And for the second edible, I have, what do they actually call these? They call these, or I guess they call them Brownie Pops, but I would not call them a Brownie Pop because they're not on a stick and they're not like a cake pop at all. These are just more brownie bites dipped in chocolate. So it's medicated brownies dipped in medicated chocolate, and these are Fuego. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna set you guys up real quick so I can eat one real fast. Yeah, it's amazing how small they are too. It's crazy. It's right in my hand. But these things are delicious. Nice and chocolatey goodness. Oh shoot. It got hot in my room. I need to go throw this in the freezer. Give me 1 second. Alright, my bad about that. Yeah, the chocolate started to melt inside of the packaging. So I guess we're gonna start with the watermelon, or with the, sorry man, I'm obsessed with watermelon, with the strawberry peach gummy. Cheers. Man, those are so good. Oh. Alright, let's try to get this brownie out of here. This thing's gonna be fun to work with, I can tell you that. Alright, where you at, Mr. Brownie? I see it. Alright, let's get her out of there. Get you out of there. Out of all four, of course, when I try to record a video, it ends up melting in the bag, right? Like, I mean, I still got 99% of it, but that would happen to me. All right. So let me try to get the last of this chocolate that I can get out of here. Alright, so I was gonna do the Nug reviews for this video, but I'm already pushing 14 minutes, and I know that I'm just not like crazy enjoyable to watch. I haven't found my flow yet, or I haven't found my vibe yet on YouTube, and I'm working on talking to the camera. I really have been practicing and everything. You know, I write notes and I have a whiteboard and everything, and I really do practice. I'm grinding to try to get this to work out, you know. But once the video gets past about 10 to 12 minutes, people tend to stop watching unless it's extremely interesting. And I don't think what I'm doing is extremely interesting at the moment. So in the next video, I will open up the wild Thai, and I will open up the gelato. one of my favorite strains. I have a gelato connected cartridge right now too. Those are pretty good connected. They make decent cartridges. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna go eat because I am starving and I do not want to make this video even longer, and I am. It's 15 minutes and 30 seconds already. So please, all the social media, you guys know it'll be in the description. Please follow my Instagram. Follow my Twitter at Midwestern Buds. I finally got my Twitter back. It was messed up for a while, but yeah, follow my Twitter at Midwestern Buds. And other than that, please hit that like button. Please hit that like button as much as you can, and then drop a comment if you like what I'm doing, if you like what I've been doing, and if you like the direction of the channel. I'm gonna be doing story times a lot more. I think that I kind of hit a little gold mine with that one, with the story times. You know, if I smoke and tell a story, I wouldn't mind if it was 20 minutes if it was a story time, because that's different. You know, when you're into it and you're listening to me talk and everything, it's a bit different than what I'm doing right now, just straight up talking to you guys. You know, I'm just relaying information right now. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be doing more story times. People seem to like that. So yeah, story times are coming. We got more gas coming always. We got more live resins coming always. We got more fire content coming, and I'm just gonna do my best to bring you guys the best content that I can and be the best version of myself that I can for you guys, so I can share the wisdom that I've gained in my life and try to give some of it to you guys. So hope you guys have a blessed, happy day, and it's been Willie and I'm out.